Good morning children. Welcome you all in math session. Previous session we have learned days of the week, that are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of the week, and there are 7 days in a week. Now we are going to learn about months of the year. Okay. A calendar shows days, weeks and months of a year. Look here. In this month, here are days. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are 7 days, and 7 days become 1 week. And here 1 week, 2nd week, 3rd week and 4th week. This week makes month. Okay. And here in this month there are 31 days. 12 months become a year, and a year has 365 days. There are 12 months in a year, that are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now children, tell me which month is going on? Yes, November month is going on. Now of these 12 months, January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. Okay. And April, June, September and November have 30 days. And February has 28 or 29 days. Okay. When there were 29 days in a February month, that year we call leap year. Okay. A leap year has 366 days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. A leap year comes every 4 years. Okay. The number of days in a month can also be found out by counting on the knuckles. The months that fall on the knuckles have 31 days, and the months that fall on the grooves have 30 days except February. Now I show you. Okay. When we count, when we say months of the year, January, this upside. So when upside month come, here, in that month there are 31 days. Look here, January. Then here down, grooves means February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay. Again, August, September, October, November and December. When the month come in upside, means in knuckles, January means 31 days. February 30 days, but in February there are 28 or 29 days. Okay. March 31 days. April 30. May 31 days. June 30. July 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. Okay, children? Now, I will show you days in calendar. Okay? Remember, children, one year has 365 days and one leap year has 366 days. 2020 is also a leap year. I show you. Look here. In January month, there are 31 days. Okay? In February 2020, there are 29 days. These 29 days means 2020 is a leap year. And in 2020, there are 366 days. This is March month. In March, there are 31 days. April month. In April, there are 30 days. In May, there are 31 days. In June, there are 30 days. July month has 31 days. In August, there are 31 days. And you know, 15th August, Independence Day is on 15th of August. In September, there are 30 days. October month have 31 days. And in October, 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. November month has 30 days. And you know, children, 14th November is a Children's Day. In December, there are 31 days. And you know, in December, 25th of December is a Christmas Day. These are the month of the year. Now, we will do practice coach. Write name of the months in which these festivals appear. Now, children, tell me, Children's Day, in which month Children's Day is appear? Yes, 14 November. November. Children's Day is coming in 14th November. Okay. Teacher's Day, 5th September. September. You have to learn month of the year from January to December. Okay. Now Independence Day. Tell me. Independence Day will come in 15th of August. August. Okay. And Republic Day, 26th of January. 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 And Christmas Day, 25th December. December. Okay. Now complete the following. The 5th month of the year is first month January, 2nd February, 3rd March, 4th April, 5th May. Means 5th month is May. The 5th month of the year is May. 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 The month that comes in between March and May is, tell me, which? April. April. P-R-I-L. Okay. Next. The month with 28 or 29 days is February. 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 Okay. Now, November is the dash dash month of the year. Tell me, November month is a 11th month. Okay. Come on, write down. Elevent. November is the 11th month of the year. And then, how many months have 31 days in a year? Look here. January, 31 days. March, 31 days. May, 31 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. October, 31 days. And December, 31 days. Means how many days? How many month of 31 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, 7 months have 31 days in a year. Okay, children? I hope you have understood about days, week, month, year and leap year. Okay? Thank you.